Hi, I'm Becky Streepy from Glue and Glitter, and today we're making creamy, flavorful cashew ranch dressing. Y'all, I am obsessed with ranch dressing, and this is hands down my favorite. It only takes 15 minutes to make, and that includes the time that you need to soak the cashews. And it is just so versatile. I love to use it obviously on salads, but I also love it as a dip for veggies and also a dip for spicy appetizers like a vegan wing type situation. Soaking the cashews is crucial because it softens them up, and that's really important, especially if you're not using a high-speed blender. That said, you can use raw or roasted cashews for these. I know a lot of cashew cream recipes will tell you to use raw cashews, but I find that soaking the cashews softens them up just fine, whether they're roasted or not. In your blender, combine soaked cashews with water, lemon juice, salt, pepper, and spices, and garlic. As you can see, I'm using 1 garlic clove, but it is pretty humongous. If your garlic cloves are smaller, I would recommend using 2 instead. Blend that up until it's completely smooth. In a high-speed blender, this takes about a minute. If you're using a regular blender, it's gonna take a little bit longer, but that creamy result is achievable. Just keep on blending and remember to give your blender's motor a rest every 30 to 60 seconds. It's important to rest the motor to ensure it doesn't burn out because no dressing, not even this one, is worth ruining your whole blender. If this dressing feels a little bit thinner than you want it straight out of the blender, don't worry, it does thicken as it chills. So it's totally fine to use immediately, but if you do want to thicken it up, just stick it in the fridge, or if you want to thicken it more quickly, you can stick it in the freezer for 20 minutes. I hope that this video has answered all of your questions about how to make cashew ranch dressing. If you have any questions I didn't address, feel free to drop a comment. I'm always happy to help. And don't forget to rate and subscribe. Happy cooking!